Making and modifying reservations for your group just got easier with Bookings and GuestCenter for Groups. Instead of opening a new tab for each location, your team can now manage reservations from one screen. Delight guests by quickly finding reservations that match their preferences, with a real-time view of group availability at your fingertips. Increase bookings by seamlessly cross-selling your other restaurants with availability at popular times. Quickly find, confirm, or modify any existing reservation by searching the guest books across your group. View guest visit history and make group-level guest notes every restaurant can see. If a guest has notes about preferring sparkling water and booth seating at one location, for example, you can make sure they receive consistent, memorable hospitality no matter where they dine. To get started with bookings, contact your account manager today.